Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here at the end of the video in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, we had a big push down on gold today, as you can see. Went down to a Fibonacci extension of what I still think is possibly a wave A. I still think this looks like one, two, three waves up for wave B. We got a higher high wave B compared to this move over here, so it definitely could be an expanding ABC correction. Definitely looks like an ABC because it is a flat three waves down, I believe. So a flat needs to fix certain characteristics. It needs to be a 3-3-5 pattern. This is definitely what I would consider a 3-3-5 pattern. Higher high, lower low, looks like a complete ABC. If it really is a complete ABC, then this move down should be a correction to this last move up. I'm still targeting the 3,275 area because that's the 161% Fibonacci extension of the wave 3 on the weekly monthly time frame. So I'm definitely still very bullish. I'd like to see at least another long out of this, probably up towards that $3,200 area at least. So I am keeping an eye out on my Fibonacci levels. If it makes three ways down to a Fib level, then I would definitely take it as a long. If it doesn't, make three ways down to a Fib level and turn back up, then maybe that could be incorrect. I think it's definitely going to very likely already ended a correction. It's very likely just going to keep on trending up, but keep an eye on your Fib levels just in case. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.